Morning, you guys. I'm up and at 'em this morning. I already installed 2 car seats into my sitter's car, and so my drive to work is a little different starting off, but nonetheless, we are driving to work for 2 shifts in a row. You guys remember last year's drive to works? I was obsessed with these Just Crack an Egg cups. I actually end up doing 2 eggs and cook it for a minute, stir, then cook for another minute, but they turn out pretty good and it's a quick breakfast. I'm working bedside today, or at least that's what's on my schedule, and then tomorrow I'm supposed to be actually doing charge nursing in our sister ICU. I got some new top frames for my glasses, so I'm obsessed with these, and every time I get some new cute top frames, I have to wear them to work. I'm like really crossing my fingers that I have a 1-to-1 today. I'm pretty sure I say that before every bedside shift, but I am just manifesting that I want a 1-to-1. And why? Is because no matter how sick that 1-to-1 is, you only have 1 patient, which is 1 person to give meds to, 1 person to chart on, 1 person that has family to update, 1 person's eyes and nose. It just feels more manageable, and like I get to provide better care when I only have 1 patient. Not to say that I don't provide great care when I have 2, but you guys know what I mean. My eggs get spread amongst multiple baskets when you have more than 1 patient. Okay, I'm at work. Hopefully I have a great day, but I will do a shift recap after my shift so that way you guys know what I was up to today, and I'll see you in my next video.